Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes as an independent contractor. First, understand that as a self-employed individual, you are responsible for both income tax and self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare. Begin by setting up a system to track all your earnings and deductible business expenses throughout the year. This diligent record-keeping is crucial for accurate tax preparation and maximizing your deductions. Next, focus on tracking your income and expenses. You'll likely receive Form 1099 NEC from clients who paid you $600 or more. It's vital to record every payment, even those below this threshold. Simultaneously, meticulously document all your business expenses, such as office supplies, software subscriptions, and professional development. This detailed tracking helps you identify all eligible deductions, reducing your taxable income significantly. A critical step for independent contractors is paying estimated taxes quarterly. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes, you must make these payments using Form 1040-S. This prevents a large tax bill and potential penalties at year-end. You'll also use Schedule SE to calculate your self-employment tax, which is 15.3% on your net earnings, and Schedule C to report your business income and expenses. Finally, maximize your deductions. Common deductions include home office expenses, business mileage, and professional insurance. Don't forget to explore deductions for health insurance premiums and contributions to self-employed retirement plans, like a SEP IRA. Once all your income and expenses are accounted for, complete and file your annual tax return using Form 1040. Remember to submit all necessary schedules by the tax deadline to avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.